What's up guys, it's Tina from Hangry by Nature. In this video, we partnered with Tourism Whitsundays to bring to you the top 30 things to do in the Whitsundays. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more family-friendly travel guides and make sure you keep watching to the end for extra tips on Whitsundays. Without further ado, let's get straight into it.
First up, Airlie Beach. So open to the public and free of charge is the Airlie Beach Lagoon. This is super kid friendly and a great place to swim. A wonderful sunset stroll on the Bicentennial walk will definitely make your night.
Quick tip guys, if you're looking for conveniently located family-friendly accommodation, Shingley Beach Resort is located right opposite Coral Sea Marina, which is one of the two main departure points for boat trips that leave for the islands and the reefs. We stayed inside the 2-bedroom apartment with our kids. It was a really large space and gave us all the Spanish villa feels. The views are absolutely breathtaking, and there's also a relaxing pool and a delicious cafe where you can get some brekkie in your belly.
Number 3. Boat lovers must visit the Coral Sea Marina and enjoy some magnificent views. 4. For a fantastic tour of Airlie Beach area, both land and sea, you must get on the AQUADUCK croc bus.
Number 5. Soak in the town's culture by strolling along Main Street, which has lots of different shops and restaurants. Number 6. Head to the Airlie Beach Saturday markets to browse local produce, arts, crafts, and souvenirs. Number 7. If you're traveling with kids, be sure to go and check out Airlie Beach Foreshore Playground. The entire foreshore has been newly revitalized after Cyclone Debbie struck in 2017.
Another quick accommodation tip. For lovers of resort life, and if you want to have a quick walk to the beach, then you must check out Mancha Club Croc. Offering connecting family rooms and all the amenities that you need, they have a stunning pool and a bubbly spa in a nice lush green backdrop. You probably won't even want to leave this place. CC's Bistros also offers a mouth-watering menu which includes a seafood platter and kids menus, as well as a tasty breakfast.
Number 8. Eat at Northerlie's Beach Bar and Grill, an award-winning restaurant that's set right next to the water and offers a selection of craft beers, seafood, and steak. Kids can run amok on the beach or in the huge outdoor space. Number 9. Get on board the DERWENT Hunter by Tall Ship Adventures and sail around the Whitsundays. You can snorkel to go and see some reefs and also hoist up her sails. We were lucky enough to see some whales and 2 baby dolphins.
Number 10. Have a barbecue at CANNONVALE Beach and watch the beautiful sunset. If you're actually staying in the CANNONVALE area, here's a hot tip for families. Make sure to stay at the Big 4 Adventure Whitsunday Resort. The centerpiece of this place is an epic water slide park that the kids go completely nuts over. The holiday park also offers a host of other activities, such as mini golf, a kids club, an animal park, movie nights, a playground, and 2 huge trampolines. We stayed inside a beautiful cabin that had a huge kitchen, large living space, a kids room with 2 bunk beds, 2 bedrooms, and an amazing patio with views of the water park and a private barbecue.
Next up, we're taking you to the town of Bowen, a beautiful coastal town 1 hour's drive from Airlie Beach. Number 11, take a selfie at the Big Mango found at the Bowen Visitor Information Centre. But you can't leave without trying their famous mango sorbet. Number 12, pop into MERAKI Whitsundays for some delicious brunch and coffee in a relaxing environment.
Number 13, after your tasty meal, walk over to Horseshoe Bay and enjoy some crystal blue waters or climb around the rocks surrounding the bay. Number 14, for panoramic views of Horseshoe Bay, make sure to climb up Rotary Lookout.
We recommend staying in Bowen for at least one night to experience the full scale of it. If you've ever wondered what it would be like to have the beach as your backyard, you can turn your dream into a reality at the Whitsunday Sands Resort. It's the perfect base to explore all that Bowen has to offer. Stroll to the beach from your resort or explore the beautiful green space that surrounds the resort. It's within walking distance to Horseshoe Bay and Queens Beach.
Number 15, a third generation family business. You must visit the Bird's Fish Bar, the freshest fish and chip and seafood you can get. It literally comes from the boat to their kitchen onto your plate. Number 16, SORELLE, the Sisters Coffee House. This is a must visit in town for lovers of brunch. The outdoor seating area has ample space for the kids to run around, and they also have a playground too.
Number 17, check out Rose Bay, a quieter beach to relax on. The sandbank is very wide, making it a great place for kids to just run around. Number 18, the BOWEN jetty has a lot of different things to see and a playground for kids to enjoy. Take a walk along the jetty and try and spot turtles, fishes, octopus, and there's the odd chance of seeing a dugong.
Number 19, make your way up to Flagstaff Hill for magnificent views of Bowen and its surroundings. Number 20, go for an afternoon stroll around Muller's Lagoon, feed the ducks or simply relax.
21, be sure to look out for Bowen Hill water tank art. It's not hard to miss and the artwork is really eye-catching. 22, Queens Bay is a really long stretch of beach. You're sure to find a nice spot for yourself to take a dip in the beautiful waters.
23, get on board, cruise Whitsundays and explore many islands of the region. Keep an eye out for whales and dolphins. 24, a bucket list tour from Cruise Whitsundays is Whitehaven Beach. This would have to be one of the best beaches and the most pristine that we have ever been to. 25, there's also Daydream Island, Hamilton Island, and many other islands to visit. 26, take a trip out to the Great Barrier Reef and go scuba diving or snorkeling.
Another area to explore the great outdoors is Proserpine. Number 27, one of Australia's biggest coffee plantations is Whitsundays Gold Coffee. The space is huge with lots of kids activities like a playground and a bird aviary. 28, drive to Lake Proserpine, also known as Peter Force Dam, is a great place for barramundi fishing. There are lots of barbecues and rest areas to have a picnic. 29, check out the Proserpine Museum to learn about the history of this sugarcane and cattle town.
Number 30, last but not least, admire the waterfall, Cedar Creek Falls, and go for a cool and refreshing dip. Now guys, we have a bonus one for you, which is Whitsunday's best kept secrets. We have Cape Gloucester Beach Resort, Hideaway Bay, Dingo Beach. Now they have some of the best views and some of the best beaches around. You must try and visit them.
Now guys, don't go anywhere. Keep watching. We've got some important tips you need to know about the Whitsundays. When it comes to airport transfers, we highly recommend Whitsundays to everywhere. They are available for all flights and can take you to the port or your accommodation. The staff are very helpful, super friendly, and very knowledgeable of the local area. Weather. Whitsundays is warm all year round thanks to its tropical climate. But if you're not a fan of rain, avoid visiting between January and March, which is rain season.
Stinger seasons. So stingers are actually jellyfish. So for example, more common ones are the irukandji and the box jellyfish. They can be present all year round, but the most high risk time is between October and May. It is recommended to wear a protective swimsuit all year round, and especially during the high risk periods. The sickness you get will definitely ruin your trip, so you wouldn't want that to happen to you. Water safety. So there are other dangers besides jellyfishes that you should be aware of. Watch out for stingrays, sharks, and even some water areas have crocodiles, especially near rivers. Rest assured, this is not to scare you, it's just to make sure you are aware of them, and these instances are rare. There are a lot of signage advising water conditions.
Whitsundays is a huge region. The best way to get around is to rent a car. Taxis can quickly get very expensive, and buses don't connect everywhere, especially some of the secluded places that you might want to visit.
Boom! We made it, guys, all the way to the end. So if you guys are interested in more Australian travel guides, check out our playlist up here. If you liked this video and found this informative, please make sure you hit the like button. And now I want you to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for more smart family travel guides. So we out of here. See you on the next video. Peace.